Hi everyone, this is David Mueller from MonetaryOcean.com, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert your merchant fulfill inventory into Fulfilled by Amazon. Before we get going though, I do ask you guys to hit that like button. A lot of people have been showing interest in merchant fulfill content recently, so the more people that can get helped by this information, the better. First thing we're going to need to do on Inventory Lab, which is the program I prefer to use for listing products on Amazon, is we're going to need to open up a FBA batch. So I've already created one. You can see here that it is the channel of FBA, and we're going to go ahead and accept that. Before we enter our product, we're going to need to go to Amazon Seller Central, and we're going to need to find the inventory that we want to convert. So I've already got it pulled up here, and I'm going to go ahead and grab the ASIN for later. What we need to do is click the checkbox action, and we need to change to Fulfilled by Amazon. We're going to go ahead and just do the Amazon barcode because I prefer to label the products myself. Similar to when you list products on Amazon's website, you have to fill out this information for each MSKU. So the required information, this is battery and product regulation information. This is not a problem. We're going to go ahead and click Save and Continue. So on Amazon, it's been converted. We're going to go into Inventory Lab. We're going to enter the ASIN of the product, search it, and we should have an existing MSKU. So I like to use the existing one and make a slight modification to it. So we're just going to hit Ignore and Create New. And I'm going to fill out this information. I'll show you guys real quick what it looks like if you do not change the MSKU. So once you have all your pricing and all your price information ready, hit Add to Batch, and you'll get this pop-up. We found the same MSKU in your inventory or open batch under a different fulfillment channel. So we want to create my own. This takes us back, and what I do is just simply FBA, add to batch, and just like that, your products are ready to go FBA. So you'll keep adding products as you normally would to this FBA batch, and once you're all ready, you go ahead and ship it in like you normally do. It's really that simple. That is all you need to do. Your products have been converted to FBA. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. My name is David Mueller from MonetaryOcean.com. Until next time, guys, don't wait, dive in.